To encode school signatories, select View School Profile in the navigation panel, then click School Officials tab. Provide the information needed for the school registrar and the school president or authorized representative. Click Update each time to save the encoded information. Proceed to the School Billing Signatory tab and provide the information needed for the signatory of the voucher program billing statement. Click Update, then click Submit to save the encoded information. The Voucher Management System, or VMS, will send an email to the signatory providing instructions on how to upload their electronic signature in the VMS each time the Update Details button is clicked. The encoding of school signatories will be disabled once the PEAC Regional Secretariat has validated the names, email address, and specimen signature of the signatories against the school's board resolution on assigning signatories for the voucher program billing statements and supporting documents.